Tonight I'm putting homemade patches into 6 pairs of jeans that I am hoping we get a couple more seasons wear out of. You will want to use a stretch fabric for the patches. I am using a tight woven stretch knit. This will prevent the knee holes from busting open again in the near future. Start by trimming back all the loose threads. Take some rough oversized measurements of the hole. Mark that onto the back of your chosen fabric and then cut it out. You want the most stretch to be running vertical down the pant leg, with the pants inside out hand based around the perimeter of the patch. If it makes it easier, you can use a tailor's ham inside the pant leg, or in my case, a roll of paper towel. Most people use a zigzag stitch because of the stretch it has, but I personally do not like the look of that. I use a triple stitch, which gives the appearance of a straight stitch, but with some stretch to it. For a bit of a visual representation, I have sewn a straight stitch and a triple stitch onto these 2 scrap pieces. First we have the straight stitch, and as you can see, when the fabric stretches, the straight stitches snap. Here we have the triple stitch, and this stitch stretches very well with the fabric. Now that we have the patch basted into position and the pants turned right side out, we can then machine stitch around the opening. For smaller holes, I hand sew with a back stitch around the hole. Remove all the basting stitches, turn the pants back inside out and carefully trim around the stitches. If you are concerned about the patch fraying, then you could overlock around the edges. 1 patch down and many more to go. My kids decided they wanted this fabric instead, and he loves having the little fawn on his knee. Well, that's it. We try to get as much wear out of our clothes as we can, and this is just one way of many that we are able to save money for bigger and better things. If you liked this video or found it somewhat helpful, then give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down if you like, but either way, I hope I see you next time.